welcome to Scientia Academy, and today's lecture is about the Kinematics 2 portion for the NEET and IIT-JEE exams 2020. So let's start the classes, and we are going to be dealing with 5 questions and solutions. So the first question that we are going to discuss in this portion is as follows. Yep, question number 1. Here the coordinates of a moving particle at any time t are given by x is equal to alpha t cube and y is equal to beta t cube. The speed of the particle at the time t is given by. So in this type of question, the x is given as well as y is given. And as I've mentioned, guys, please go through the question and take 2 minutes of your time to do it by yourself and pause your screen, of course. Then after that, just resume playing and resume seeing the video and analyze whether your answer is in match with the answer which I'm gonna uh, solve in the screen. So the first question, it is given that the value x is equal to alpha t cube and the value y is equal to beta t cube. We know Vx can be given by dx by dt, right? So which we will get it as 3 alpha t square on differentiating x with respect to t, and the Vy is equal to d by dt of the y displacement. So we are going to get that as 3 beta t square. So we know v is velocity, which is basically the speed. Magnitude is root of the vx square plus vy square plus 2 times vx times vy times cos theta. Since this is x and y component, the theta is 90, cos 90 is 0. This entire component becomes a 0. So this is equal to root of 9 alpha square t to the power of 4 plus 9 beta square t to the power of 4, which you get it is on solving 3t square root of alpha square plus beta square. So this is our option B actually. So option B is the answer. So can we just go to the second question? So the second question is as follows. A boy can throw a stone up a maximum height of 10 meters. The maximum horizontal distance that the boy can throw the same stone up to will be. There are 4 options are given. Let's do the question. So you guys pause the screen, take 2 minutes and try to finish it. So yes, as you can see, the range can be given by the formula u square sine 2 theta by g, and the height is u squared sine square theta by 2g. And the h max when 2 theta is equal to 90 degree, that is the h max is u squared by 2g, right? Now we know u squared by 2g is equal to 10, which basically means that u squared is equal to 10g times 2. So r is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by g, and we get r max as u squared by g, u squared by g. So r max is equal to 10 times g times 2 upon g. G gets cancelled. Your answer is going to be 20 meters. So that is our option D. Right. Let's go to the third question. Yeah. So third question, what they have mentioned here. If a body moving in a circular path maintains constant speed of 10 meters per second, then which of the following correctly describes the relation between acceleration and radius? So let's do this question, guys. Again, pause your screen, 2 minutes, right? So we know the speed, or let's say v, is constant, as we know from the question, because the things are in question, it is a given fact, right? So you know centripetal acceleration az can be given by v squared by r. Otherwise I can say ac times r is equal to v squared. You know, since v is constant, v squared is constant, so centripetal acceleration times r is equal to a constant. Am I right? So the only option that can be possible is graph C. If you can see here, this is the graph, right? Okay. So let's go to the next question. The fourth question. The initial speed of a bullet fired from a rifle is 630 meters per second. The rifle is fired at the center of a target 700 meters away at the same level as the target. How far above the center of the target? Right. Will it hit? That's the question. So let's imagine that let t be the time taken by the bullet, time taken by the bullet to hit the target, right? Let's imagine. Let's t be the time taken by the bullet to hit the target. So we can say this 7 is equal to 6, yeah, 630 meter per second times t. From here, t is equal to 700 by 630, approximately 10 by 9 seconds. So for vertical motion in the same given time period, for the vertical motion, since u is 0, I can write h is equal to half gt square from the position time relation. So which is half times g is 10 times 10 by 9, the whole square. So we're going to get 6.1 meter. What exactly does this mean is that the rifle must be aimed 6.1 meter above the center of the target to hit the target. Clear? So this is the answer. So this is going to be our option C. So you can see option C. Right. Next question. The last question, which is, sorry, a projectile is given an initial velocity of I plus 2j meter per second, where I is along the ground and j is along the vertical. If g is 10 meter per second square, the equation of its trajectory is. Let's do this question. Let's say the velocity v, as per the question, is I plus 2j meter per second. I plus 2j meter per second, which implies when x is equal to t, right? So y can be given by 2t minus half gt square. I'm sorry, not whole square, just a moment. 10 times t square, that's the proper answer. So times 10 t square, right? So if we consider one as equation, this one first equation and this is the second equation, when we solve this from equation 1 and equation 2, we get y is equal to 2x minus 5x square, and the correct option that we are going to get is option B, which is y is equal to x minus 5x square. It's kind of a very simple question, so it's kind of a similar question as well. So if you guys have any confusion in these questions, please comment below, and also please let me know that is there any issues which you face. Is there any particular content which you want me to make videos on? Please let me know. And if there is going to be any particular topic which you want me to make a video on, doing problems and all, please let me know. Comment below. Please this also. Just comment below. Second thing, please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Like the video, share to maximum, right? So, and the next what you could do is wait for the next video, which is going to be the starting of the mechanics portion. Clear? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.